Before you begin, remove the main service door. Removal. Caution: use care when handling the wireless LAN antenna cables. A damaged cable or connector can degrade notebook performance. Carefully disconnect the antenna cables from the wireless LAN module by grasping the connectors with a small pair of needle-nose pliers or tweezers. Remove the single P1 Phillips head screw. The wireless LAN module will rise to the spring tension position. Grasp the wireless LAN module by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Replacement. Align the notch in the wireless LAN module with the key in its slot. At a 30-degree angle, insert the wireless LAN module into its slot. Press down on the wireless LAN module and replace the single P1 Phillips head screw to secure it in place. Carefully reconnect the antenna cables to the wireless LAN module. The antenna cable labeled 1 connects to the main terminal labeled 1. The antenna cable labeled 2 connects to the aux terminal labeled 2.